Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the super easy DIY using Dollar Tree shirts. And I'll be doing a tie-dye effect using bleach, so let's get started. So I'll be using this spray bottle, and I use this splashless Clorox bleach. But I also used this container so that I can put the bleach. Make sure you are using some gloves to protect your hands. So I just took all the shirts and I kind of just scrunched them up with no pattern and added some rubber bands so that it could stay in place. And I just went ahead and sprayed some bleach directly onto the shirt. And I repeated the same steps for all the shirts. I tried to scrunch up in different sections, so this one I started scrunching it up towards the middle of the shirt. And I added some rubber bands and the bleach with the spray. And here I completely forgot to put on my gloves, so don't do that. Make sure you are wearing the gloves so that you protect your hands. So you will basically repeat the steps for all the shirts. And I ran out of rubber bands, but it's not a problem. It still works even if you don't have any rubber bands. And Dollar Tree has so many different sizes. They have like the kid size and adult size, so they have so many options. So after about 5 hours, I went ahead and checked on the shirts. I removed the rubber bands and I kind of noticed that it needed a little bit more bleach. Since the bleach that I used was the scented one, I don't think it was as strong, so make sure that you're using the regular Clorox bleach. You can find it also at Dollar Tree, but I had some already. I decided to go with the stronger one, and as you can tell, it didn't really work for the shirts, so I went ahead and just scrunched up the shirts again and just in random places this time and just poured the Clorox right onto the shirt. So no real pattern, it's just basically playing around with it. And after about 3 hours, this is how it turned out. I really think it's an awesome tie-dye effect with bleach and so easy. And the Dollar Tree has so many options for shirts. They have kid size and adult size, short sleeve, and like this one that has just a regular tank top style. And let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And it is a super fun project for this summer since it's super trendy at the moment. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos coming up. Thanks for watching Made Easy DIY. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.